Hey everyone, I'm Payal. Welcome to my new video, and in this video I'm going to give rustic feel to the bedroom. But before moving towards video, firstly I'm going to introduce the word rustic bedroom. It is inspired from nature. Rustic style uses raw organic materials like stone and wood to create warm, inviting space that feel earthy. In a typical rustic bedroom, the focus will be on the wood, which can cover everything from the walls to the floors. So, if you like this video and if you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and that bell button next to it so you will get notified when I added something new. And let me know your comments in the comment section below. Now, enjoy the video till the end.